Yes, happy Monday, my dear Chi. Welcome back to my class. Hello. Yes, wow. Good morning, my dear.
Good morning.
Yes. Can you see teacher, my dear?
Yes, I can.
Yes, wow, that's great. Okay. Can you hear me well, my dear?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so how are you today, Mizzy?
Good, thank you. And you?
I'm good. Wow, what's that?
Just pain. That's all.
Oh, I see it's a pen. And how about, yes, is that a rabbit?
Yeah, that's
Your
a
eraser?
yeah, that's eraser.
Yes, a rabbit.
Pen.
Oh, I see. Wow. Did you sleep well last night, Mizzy?
Yes, well, well.
Me too. Yes. But did you eat your breakfast, Mizzy?
Yes, you did your breakfast.
No, not yet, Mizzy. But what did you eat?
I eat all things I want.
Oh, all the things?
Yeah,
Can you give me an example of the food that you eat, Mizzy?
I want to eat pho,
Wow.
bread, and egg,
Oh,
and some many.
okay, that's great. Mizzy, very good. Okay, how about for your milk, Miss Ear, or for your drinks? Do you want to drink milk?
I want.
Oh, wow. How about milk tea? Do you like drinking milk tea?
Yes, I like.
Oh, wow. That's great. How about some juice, Miss Ear, in the morning?
Yes. Now,
How about some juice, Miss Ear? Ah, okay. Let me. How about juice, Miss Ear?
no juice.
Do you want to drink juice? Oh, do you want to drink juice, Miss Ear?
Yes, I like.
Oh, wow, in the morning?
No,
So when do you want to drink juice, Miss Ear? In the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening?
in the afternoon.
In the afternoon?
Yeah,
I see, that's great. A cold juice, right? A cold one?
yeah.
Oh, I see. Okay. What's that, Miss Ear?
My ruler.
Wow.
Your gift. And this is my name.
Wow. Did you write that?
Yeah.
Oh, you are the one. Oh, who wrote your name in the ruler, Miss Ear?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Who wrote your name?
I have nothing in
Mhm.
ruler.
Yes. Who wrote your name?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Who is here?
My teacher.
Wow, that's great. Okay. So, my dear Chi, are you now ready for our class?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yay! Let's do this, Rosie. Let's continue. Okay, we are done with.
This is
Yes,
face. This is the rabbit face.
yes, that's a rabbit face. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Okay, we are done with this vocabulary, right?
Look at a website on the internet.
Look at the website on the internet.
Yes. Okay, so this time let's have a review. Means here, let's review
What?
the.
So
let's.
fast?
Yes. Okay, you need to tell teacher A, B,
Oh,
or C.
shopping.
Yes. Can you please read?
Oh, shopping.
Oh, wow. Correct. Good job. Okay, next one.
Do homework.
Okay. Oh, look at her.
Oh, the pink one.
Okay, the pink one. This one.
Yes.
Okay. Correct. Good job.
Eat in the water.
Oh, wow. You're under the water. Can
Yeah.
you see a fish or maybe a baby shark?
This this one.
Ah, it's a plastic, but it looks like you are underwater.
Yeah, but my house is not under the water.
Yes. Okay, if you are under the water, Mizir, what will you see? Will you see a baby shark if you are under the water? A baby shark?
No.
Oh.
But can you see the rabbit over here?
No, I can't.
The pink one. The light pink one.
Mm.
Over there.
Ah, I see. Okay. But Miss Yuchi, how's your weekend? What did you do on your weekend?
I do I do anything.
Mm. Did you play outside?
Yes. Um uh,
Oh, what else, Miss Ear?
not many things, but I don't remember.
Oh, it's okay. But did you go somewhere with your family last weekend?
Yes, I go to the restaurant and eat ice cream. And I to nails.
Wow! What's that? Is that real?
Yes, that's
It's
real.
so cute. Wow. Why do you have your nails done?
And I have a rabbit.
Ah, it's a rabbit. Wow. It's so nice. It looks beautiful. Is it your first time is here doing that?
No, that's my third time.
Oh, I see. Can you see it again? Time.
Go for a dive.
Okay, what's the picture, Mr. A, B, or C? Which
C.
one? Okay. Oh, correct. Yay. Next one.
Go for work.
Go for a walk.
Here, the pink one. But why the boy is in a pink one, but the girl is in a blue one?
Why do you want the girl to be in the pink one?
Yes, I like, but girl in a blue one is okay.
Ah, I see. It's okay. How about the third picture? What is he doing?
He's fishing.
Okay, how about the first picture, Miss Ear?
She is singing.
Okay, she is singing. Good job. Wow. Is he happy, Miss Ear?
Oh.
Is he sad?
Yeah,
Oh no, why is he sad?
because he need to work.
Oh, why? Are you sad, Miss Ear?
No,
If you want to walk,
no, no, no.
if
But
you
I
need
want to
to walk.
run. I want to run, not work.
Ah, I see. That's great. It's an exercise, Miss Yuji. Okay, you need to exercise. Wow.
Go for a swim.
Okay, look, Miss Ear. She's a girl and she's in the pink picture.
Yes, she has
Yes.
dress too.
Yes. Okay, where's the girl, Miss Ear? A girl. Where's the girl?
In this picture.
Uh-huh. Can you circle it?
Okay.
Okay. Wow. Very good. How about you, Miss Ear? Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like.
Wow, do you know how to swim?
Yes, in this morning I will go to swim after
Wow.
breakfast.
I see. That's great. Look at my
No.
background, Miss Ear. Look at my background. You can swim here.
Okay, I want to swim.
On the beach.
Yeah, I'm under the water now.
Okay. Wow. Let us go swimming. Okay. What is he doing, Miss Irchi?
He's doing
Yes, or maybe pain?
painting.
Yes. How about her?
She is dancing.
Yes. Good
I
job.
left for her.
Okay, next one.
No, no, no,
Okay.
no. Okay.
Wow.
I just
Okay.
I just don't want boy, just girl.
Ah,
What is correct?
yes, but it's correct. But my dear Chi, what is she doing? Look.
She no, it's he, not she.
Ah, is he a boy?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought she's a girl.
He,
Okay.
not she.
Okay. So he is a boy. I thought she's a girl. She
What?
look like he looks like a girl. Right?
Yeah.
Yes. He look like a girl. Okay. So what is he doing with Zirchi?
He is sleeping.
Okay. How about him? What is he doing?
He is cooking.
Or maybe he is
He
baking.
is the
Oh no, he doesn't have eyes. Okay, again, Mizichi, what is he doing?
he's cooking.
Yes. Okay, correct. Good job. Next one.
What? He?
Mm-hmm.
Erase anything I have.
Okay.
I like this, but I don't like he. Then
Okay. Wow. He has heart eyes. Hmm. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so my dear Chi, what is she doing?
she is dancing again.
Oh, yes, again. How about him? What is he doing?
Hey, what is this? Why I have this?
I see. Okay, you need to. Mm, you need to click the spotlight. Yes, okay.
Oh, what do you have? The
Yes,
red one?
yes. It's like a pen, Miss Ear.
In the computer?
Yes.
What can you teach me?
Okay.
Please.
You need, after the stump, you need to click the spotlight.
Backlight? What is
Yes.
backlight?
After an eraser. After spotlight, it's an eraser. It's between the stamp
Between the stamp.
and eraser.
Okay. It is
Now, you need to click the spotlight, Miss Ear, not the arrow.
when I have a arrow. I don't have like you.
I see. Okay, let me take a picture of it, Miss Ear. Okay, like this one. I'm going to send it here. Can you see the picture?
Yes, I can see.
Okay, it's in the chat box, Miss Ear.
That book.
Uh-huh.
The way is where's your picture?
It's in the chat, Miss Ear. Audio, video, participants chat.
Okay. What is around?
Okay, can you see it?
But the picture is so small.
Ah, so you need to click it, Miss
Okay,
Ear.
I see now.
Uh-huh. So can you see after?
Yes, I'm see, but I don't have like you.
Oh, I see. That's sad. Okay, you only have an arrow.
Yeah, because I'm not a teacher.
Okay, it's okay, Miss Ear. So let's go to the next one. Okay, can you please read this one, Miss Ear Chi?
Listen to music.
Okay, what's your answer, Miss Ear?
The pink picture.
Okay, how about her? What is she doing?
She's riding a bike.
Yes, very good. Can you see it again? She is riding.
She's riding a bike.
Yes, very good. How about him? What is he doing?
He's skating.
Yes. Okay, so the correct answer is picture. It's picture B. Yes. All right, next one is here.
Look at the website on the internet.
Okay, very good. So what's your answer?
The A1.
Yes, very good. But how about in the second picture, Miss Ear? What is she doing?
She is doing homework.
Yes, can you say it again? She is doing her.
She is doing her homework.
Yes, good job. How about in the picture three? What are they doing?
They are playing.
Yes, what are they playing? Okay, they're playing chess.
Yeah, I like
Y-
that game.
Uh-huh. Do you know how to play chess?
Yes, I know.
Wow, you're so great.
But little bit.
Okay. It's okay, Miss Zia. Good job. Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Yay! Good job.
What was that animal?
It's a rabbit.
What? Why rabbit is so small?
Yes. Nice. It's cute, right?
Yeah,
Yes, it's a cute
but
rabbit.
he's so fat.
Yes, a short rabbit, but it's cute. Okay, let's practice, Miss here. Okay, so you need to write your answer. Okay, can you please write your answer in the boxes, Miss here?
Why you have to open this?
Mm-hmm.
Right in the box. What? Right in the overseas? What?
For example, Miss here, no, it's not opposite. I
I
need to. I
can
need
help
to.
you.
Okay. For
Box
example, number one, go shopping.
X. Where is the what? Okay.
Okay, let's see. So for number two, what is she doing, Miss Chi?
Okay. Then
Okay. All right. So, Miss can you please complete the sentence? Do your.
do you?
Uh-huh. Do your.
I need
Okay.
to.
So you need to complete the blanks, Miss You need to choose your answer from the box here on the right side of the slide. So you need to type your answer.
Work.
Okay.
Where is work? Where is W?
It's beside Q and it's between Q and E on the
Okay,
left side.
but I need to speak.
Okay.
Homework. Oh, homework. What?
Why? What happened?
Day again.
Okay. H-O.
Okay.
Let's see your answer if your answer is correct. Can you click? I can see your answer, Miss here. Okay. Oh no.
Yeah, homework don't have the letter E here.
Yes, you need to add letter E, Miss here.
But I want to write this
Okay.
tick and write
Oh,
letter.
okay.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. Good job. Do your homework.
And erase anything.
Okay, so how about next number, Miss Yurchi, number 3?
Go for a drive.
Mm-hmm. Go for a...
Drive.
Okay, can you type your answer again?
E. It's more than. Where is the letter D?
Letter
D,
V.
D, 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 D,
It's
D.
a Z. It's between S and F.
Oh, close.
Okay. Oh.
In the sky.
Yes. Oh, now you need to.
Erase.
Yes, you need to erase. Okay.
What? It's drive.
Okay.
Drive. Drive.
Okay. Drive.
What? What is the letter E?
It's okay, Miss Ear. Okay, but your answer is correct. Good job. Don't erase your answer, Miss Ear. It's okay.
Then
Oh no! All right. How about next number?
go for work.
Okay. Can you please type your answer again?
Okay, W-A, okay, then
Now you need to write your answer, Miss Ear. You need to type your answer.
W,
Uh-huh.
A, N, A, work.
Okay, let's see your answer.
No, I'm not done.
Okay.
I need two more that and more. Okay, let's put
Okay.
over here. Okay.
Okay, go for a.
Then
Okay, let's see. Wow! Good job! Okay, very good, Daisy. Okay, good job. All right. Can you read your answer for number 4?
go for work, go
Okay,
for swim, go
okay.
for ride.
On your bike. Wow!
It's so easy.
Wow, that's nice. But where is she walking, Mizir?
Good. We're walking in the park.
Yes, good job. How about her?
All right. In the road.
Can you see it again? She is riding.
Riding a bike.
Mm-hmm. Okay, where
Go
is she
for that.
riding her bike?
Yeah.
Okay, where, Miss Yurchi? Okay, so how about number 7? Can you please complete the sentence?
Okay.
Okay. There are two blanks in number 7 and 8. You need to complete it, Miss Yurchi.
Bing.
Oh no.
What are you
Okay, next.
doing? Bing. Bing. Okay. Why is pepper not pink? Music
Okay, watch a film or a.
or DVD.
Okay. All right. Can you please write your answer, Miss
Listen
Yuchi?
to music. M-I-S, not I. Is
Okay.
Where is W?
It's
Here.
in the upper left part.
E B A I C E. Then and then
Mhm. Wow. Okay. But here, Miss Yer, there are two blanks here.
here I see.
Okay, you need to complete it.
DVDs. Or DVDs. DVDs. Listen to music. TV.
Okay.
Oh, where's my answer? Hey, hey, what is that?
Wow, good job, my dear Chi. Very good. You were able to complete. Yay! Okay, so this time, Mizuchi, I want you to please read all your answers from number 1 until number 9. Okay?
Go shopping, go for a walk, watch film or DVDs. Do your homework, go a screen, go for a screen. Listen to music or CD. Go for drive, go for a ride on your bike. Look at what?
Okay.
Look at the website,
Yes.
but I can't see it
Okay. How about now? Can you see it?
on the internet because the
Okay.
website is because the letter is behind the website.
Okay, good job, Azir. Very good. Ding. Okay, so this time you need to write the verbs, Azir. Okay, you need to choose your answer from the box here.
Open more. Okay. Hey, wait. Hey. Okay. Whoop.
Wow, you will complete all your answers.
Whoop, whoop.
Okay, you will complete your answer, Mizir. Okay. How about how about number 2, number 3, 5, and 6? Eh, paano? Okay, how about number 2? Okay, number 3 and 6. Cook.
What?
Pause.
Okay, and try one more time. Okay.
Ah.
It's not true.
Okay, so you did well today, Miss
Mm,
Yuchi.
S and H. Them.
Okay. Wow, good job. Because of that, I will give you heart. Yay, good
Oh,
job. What's
hello.
Oh, hello. Yes, good job, my dear Chi. Very good. You were able to complete the blanks and you were able to finish the task. Good job. Teacher is very happy, my dear. Yay. All right. So you need to eat your breakfast now, my dear.
Okay, goodbye. And you
Yeah.
need to eat your breakfast.
Yes. Enjoy your food, my dear.
Okay, goodbye.
Yes. Take care on your swimming lesson, okay?
Okay.
Okay. See you again on Wednesday. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, I like your nails. Bye bye.
Bye bye.